tari. At Central Pay Commission na stakeholders singa wari sanabagi yamna maru oiba phase ama lansin kre. Central Government Employee Union sing amade pensioner organization singi khongjang kansil lakli. Commission asi mamang chahigi November da sem kibani amade At Pay Commission chatna raklabadi masina Central Government Employee amade pensioner crore amaga lak amaromda kanaba phanghangadawri. Central Government Employee Union sing amade pensioner sing na At Pay Commission gi matung inna tolop hengatlu pension reform tau amadi annual increment revision tau amadi allowance sing restructure tau haina demand tau dana lakpagi khongjang kansil lakpagi mami chawna tari masigi matung inna At Pay nakpigani At Central Pay Commission na haujik employee body pensioner association amadi mari leinaba singa khanaduna recommendation thanabagi thaurang tauribani commission asi Supreme Court ki hanagi Justice Ranjana Prakash Desaina Luchingli amadi member singi manungda Professor Pulak Ghosh amasung member secretary Pankaj Jain yauri. Commission asina Central Government gi employees singi salary pension amasung allowance sing review tauraba tungda revision recommendation thabagi thabak pairibani. Hanadagi chatnarakpa kanglon gi matung inna union lengakna chahi tarak khudingi anoba pay commission amamam semlibani stakeholder singa khana nainariba asigi saruk ama oina commission asina Delhi da defense amasung railways ki employee union singa mifam ama pangthoktuna khanakre masiga loinana Telangana Jammu amasung Kashmir amadi Ladakh tasu regional consultation sing pangthoklagani haina lauthokre. Atai state amasung union territory singda ahenba consultation sing lakadauri batha khara asida pangthoklaba yana leire hairi nakal amaromda commission asina memorandum pishin bagi aroiba numit tha asigi kunthra mathoi phawba sangdokre khongthang asi employee organization amadi stakeholders singda salary structure pension allowance amadi service condition gi recommendation sing Thagatlaknaba ahenba matam piba oina paikhatlakpani haujik phawbada tongan ba employee body singna fitment factor sing asi At Pay Commission gi matung inna 3.833 phawba pinaba proposal thangatnarakli 7 Pay Commission gi matung inna fitment factor asi 2.57 oirambani masigi mathakta employee union singna annual increment hengatnabasu takshilakli Annual increment asi haujik chada ahum oiriba asidagi chada mangadagi taruk phawba oinaba tongan ba organization singna proposal thangatnarakli consultation sing asida pension reform amadi dearness allowance ka mari Lainaba Hiram Singh Dasu Khana Nainari National Council Joint Consultative Machinery Maharashtra All Pension Organization Amadi All India Defence Employees Federation na masa masagi oiba memorandum sing haujik phawbagi oina commission asida pisin khrabani haujik phawbagi oina At Pay Commission gi reference date asi chahi asigi January amada adumak oiri adum oinamak commission asina haujik consultation amasung data khomgatpagi phase ta leiri tongan ba report singi matung inna panel asina recommendation lankhatlaknaba hotnabada tha 19 rom changlaba yai amadi anoba pay revision asi implement tawrakpagi matamdi union lengaki approval process aduna lepkani haidi revised pay structure asi implement tawrabadi central government employee amadi pensioner singna reference date adugi matung inna ahenba arrear sing phanglagani haidi Mama Leibaki Damak Thawaina